We made it to another October weekend. It'll be the last one, and guess what? It's going to be like all the others. Temperatures well above normal. Now, we're not going to see the 100s as we make our way into Sunday. That's good news, but 89 degrees on Saturday, 90 degrees on Sunday. This is still well above normal, close to record highs here by early next week. So we are looking at, again, swimming pool type weather. If you're heading out to the pumpkin patch, well, it's going to be a warm one, t-shirt and shorts, and temperatures will be in the upper 80s to near 90 Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. But there are some changes coming. As we get closer to Halloween, it does appear things will start to cool down. We may have some rain chances as well. I like what the model trends are doing, getting a little bit wetter as we get closer. Now, of course, it's going to be a big deal because it is Halloween, and we'll get to that in just a second. Current burn bans across the region, everything's pretty much the same. Bosque and Hamilton counties not under a burn ban, but everyone else is. Even if you're not, you need to take those precautions, especially as we head into early next week when winds will start to pick up out of the south quite a bit. So no changes just yet here across the area. Weak frontal boundary that did produce a couple of showers and thunderstorms across southeastern Oklahoma over into Arkansas. That weak front will make its way into areas from Waco to the northwest as we make our way into Saturday. But it's really not going to do too much for our weather, as it will be a quiet front across the region. And taking all the way into Sunday, things stay on the quiet side for us. Then as we make our way into Monday, going into Tuesday, clouds will start to increase. The one saving grace we'll have from a higher fire danger is I think more humidity will start to build on into the region as well. With partly cloudy skies, I don't think we see much in the way of rain for the first part of the week. By Wednesday, this is showing a couple of showers, at least some isolated activity late Wednesday, but Thursday, the model's really starting to hone in on a boundary that will go stationary across our area. If this does hold on to be true, that could mean wet weather for Halloween and trick-or-treating. This is still several days away, so the timing could change, the placement could change a little bit, so it's not set in stone, but it's something we need to watch for you as we make our way toward Halloween and going into Friday as well, as we could see some wet weather, which is not necessarily a bad thing. It's just when it occurs. So for tonight, temperatures down into the low to mid 60s for us. That weak front will cool things off a little bit more across our northwestern counties. And then we're looking at highs into the low to mid 80s to the northwest tomorrow, upper 80s to near 90 as you head from I-35 farther to the east. So we are going to have that weak front in the area, but most of us not feeling its effects by too much. And as we take a look at the forecast, 89, 90 degrees Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Then a 20% chance of an isolated shower on Wednesday. Thursday, again, increasing rain chances slowly but surely. We'll keep an eye on it for you. Friday at 82 degrees, and then it's turn back the clock as we head into the next weekend. You get your 49-hour weekend, that hour of sleep back that you lost in the spring. And as we take a look at the Brazos Valley, pair of 90s there Saturday and Sunday, and then 89 on Monday. It does start to cool off a little bit as we head toward Halloween. 40% chance for a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. And yes, turning back the clock the next weekend with highs in the mid-80s.